At the Stormwater Management Commission, we're charged with reducing flood damages, improving water quality, and enhancing the natural drainage system in Lake County. One of the many ways that we do that at the Commission is to implement stream restoration projects. Typically, the first thing we seek to do in a stream restoration is to stabilize the stream channel. And one way that we do that is through the use of structures that we call riffles. Riffles are larger rock and cobble that we install into the stream bed to provide stability along the bed and reduce erosion downward into the stream. The second practice that we implement is called rock bank tow, and we use that along the stream bank to stabilize stream bank materials and prevent additional erosion into the stream. A third method that we use is also a form of bank stabilization, but we use trees that have been harvested during construction of the project, and we implement the root portion of that tree as another form of revetment or bank protection to reduce erosion.
As we discussed the structural practices in stream bank stabilization, where we rely heavily on stone or other types of techniques, we also need to combine the natural conditions of a native ecosystem, and that involves the use of native plants. The use of native plants is going to be indicative of what type of system you have, whether there's going to be the percent of sunlight, the type of water moving through the system, but the end goal is to increase the stability of the stream banks with native plants. If you'd like to find out more information on stream bank stabilization projects or next steps in pursuing a project, please contact the Lake County Stormwater Commission or visit our website.